Happy New Year, makers. Paige here with Mabel, and I am super excited to talk to you about my Philly Makers Tour. And I've put this together because Philadelphia has just this amazing maker community. So many craftspeople representing so many different crafts. But in March, I am offering a small group, slow exploration of textile and textile adjacent craft here in Philadelphia. We will start the tour with a workshop at my makerspace, NextFab, and we will be making maker caddies. And you'll be able to pick your own quilt pieces and your own straps, and we'll be able to make any size you want, and you'll be using the excellent equipment that I get to work on every single day. So we will also do a hand weaving workshop with Linda, who is a Philly-based weaver, knitter, crocheter, sewer, potter, and registered nurse. And she's just a fabulous maker altogether. And she represents the best of craftspeople you meet every day in Philadelphia. And we will be doing a weaving workshop with her. We will also be going to Approve Textiles, which is one of Philadelphia's newest, bestest textile businesses here in the city. We will be doing a hand sewing workshop. It's a Korean form of patchwork called Bojagi, I think is how it's pronounced. And it's absolutely wonderful. And it creates this really ephemeral, beautiful piece of fabric. And so we'll be working with Matthew at Approve Textiles on that workshop. And we'll also be visiting the Fabric Workshop and Museum, which is I can't believe Philadelphia even has places like this, but we will be able to print our own fabric. Everyone will walk away with a yard of fabric that they have screen printed and their own design. So it's a really hands-on creative process. In between all of that, we are going to be visiting museums. We are going to be having walking tours. We are going to be eating the best food. We are also going to be staying at one of the most relaxing hotels in the city, the m.a.b.e.l. And we're going to cap it off with 2 days of private coach transportation to the shops in the Greater Philly Yarn Crawl. So all in all, it is 5 days of activities, but we're not going to crush things together. We are going to be able to take our time and have a really, really contemplative and thoughtful and intentional week of making. But there's so much to do, and I cannot wait to show it all to you. I do promise a couple of things. You will have the time of your life. There is no better time to visit Philadelphia than in 2026, the 250th celebration of the birth of our country. And I also promise that we will not be running up the Rocky Steps. So we can go and look at them, and if you want to run up, you can, but it's not going to be a group activity. So I hope you'll join me. Registration is available through the link in the description below, and I think you're just absolutely going to have the time of your life. So come to Philadelphia March 10th through 15th in 2026, and I hope to see you there.